Hi teacher, here festival in Dinamarca by Diana Garzón. The fire and festival in my town are the best. It is a atmosphere of family, friends, drink and fun. And the fire are always in the month of December, in the middle of the month. The municipal mayor bring many artists for 5 days. Although the initial day, which is Thursday, and there is only a party and a musical group at night. On Friday, there is a castle fire during the day, and at night a DJ appears. And this night it is more for young people. And around the park there are always for staying shoes as meat, soap, fast food, among others. Saturday, for horse lover, is the Ekin exhibition during the day and part of the night. But in the park at 8 p.m. and the artists begin, and it is up to each person where they want to be. And on the Sunday, and the bullfight where the inhabitants and visitors wear convoy style clothes, and more artists. This day is on Down Theatre, where the best are presented. As for example, in 2019, artists such as the Checo Acosta is Carnaval Music, Palahara of the Popular. Finally, on Monday, there is another bullfight and an artist of the Popular appears to close the fair festival. What festival ball I like to go? I would like to go to the Tomatina. This is an event that has been held since June 15 and 24. It is in municipal of Sutamarchán, Boyacá, recalling on that take place in Buñol. And the reason I want to go is because the participants throw tomatoes and tell salves and each other. Cultural shows, parties and contexts such as the tomato air, the vegan tomato, the having tomato, the Costelado race. I want to have fun and spend time with my boyfriend.